Hey everyone, welcome back to Legal Genie, your go-to channel for everything law-related. Today, we're diving into an important and fascinating part of the Indian Penal Code, Part 4, the general exceptions. These are the legal defenses that can save you from criminal liability under specific circumstances. Stick around to learn about these intriguing sections that can turn the tables in a court of law. Imagine this. You're driving to work, following all the rules, and suddenly, someone jumps in front of your car. You hit the brakes, but it's too late. What happens next? Are you automatically a criminal? Well, not necessarily. That's where the general exceptions of the IPC come into play. Let's break it down, section by section. First up, we have Section 76. It states that an act done by a person who is bound by law or by mistake of fact believing themselves bound by law is not an offense. So, if a soldier fires on command during a lawful battle, he's not committing a crime. First up, we have Section 76. It states that an act done by a person who is bound by law or by mistake of fact believing themselves bound by law is not an offense. So, if a soldier fires on command during a lawful battle, he's not committing a crime. Next, Section 77 covers acts done by a judge while acting judicially. Judges are protected from criminal liability for decisions made in their official capacity, even if those decisions are later found to be wrong. Section 78 extends this protection to acts done in pursuance of a court order. If you're executing a court's judgment, you're not liable for any resulting harm. Under Section 79, if you act in a way that you believe is justified by law, even if it's not, you might still be protected. This covers honest mistakes about what the law requires. Section 80 deals with accidents. If you accidentally cause harm while doing a lawful act in a lawful manner without any criminal intent, you're not guilty. For instance, if you're chopping wood and a piece flies off, injuring someone, you're protected. Section 81 is about necessity. If you do something to prevent greater harm, even if it causes some harm, you're not liable. Think of breaking down a door to save someone from a fire. Sections 82 and 83 deal with children. Section 82 states that children under 7 years of age are incapable of committing a crime. Section 83 extends some protection to children between 7 and 12 who lack the maturity to understand their actions. Section 84 provides an insanity defense. If someone commits a crime while of unsound mind, unable to understand the nature of the act, they are not held liable. Intoxication is covered under Sections 85 and 86 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 85 protects those who are intoxicated against their will, providing them with certain legal shields. On the other hand, Section 86 deals with voluntary intoxication but maintains liability if the person had intent while sober. It's crucial to understand the distinction between these two as they play a significant role in legal defenses. Moving on to Sections 87 to 89, these sections cover acts done with consent. Specifically, Section 87 protects acts not intended to cause death or grievous hurt, offering a safeguard in situations where harm was not the outcome sought. Section 88 covers acts done in good faith for another's benefit, emphasizing the importance of intent behind the action. Lastly, Section 89 addresses acts done for the benefit of children or insane persons with guardian consent, ensuring that those who cannot give consent themselves are still protected under the law. Section 90 invalidates consent given under fear or misconception. Section 91 excludes acts independently offensive despite consent. Furthermore, Section 92 allows acts done in good faith without consent to save a life. Lastly, Section 93 covers communications made in good faith, protecting those who warn others of danger. Under Section 94, if you're compelled to commit an act under threat of instant death, you're not liable, except for murder and offenses against the state. Section 95 dismisses trivial acts causing slight harm. Essentially, the law isn't concerned with minor infractions. Finally, the right of private defense is detailed in Sections 96 to 106. These sections justify actions taken in self-defense, even to the extent of causing death under specific circumstances. They cover self-defense of both the body and property and explain when and how this right commences and continues. To know in detail, the right of private defense under Sections 96 to 106 has been elaborately explained in a separate video. Find the link in the description. And that's a wrap on the general exceptions under the Indian Penal Code. These sections provide crucial protections and clarify that not all harmful acts are criminal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more legal insights. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching Legal Genie. See you next time.